On a cold winter day, I love to make an heartwarming winter vegetable soup with a gremolata. 1 carrot, 2 onions, and 1 celery. You want the onions to go a bit translucent. In goes the fennel seeds and some garlic, tomato puree, and now let that cook for a minute. In goes the butter beans. In goes the chopped tomatoes. Now I'm going to put some water and a little bit of red wine vinegar. Gently simmer for about 30 minutes. Today I'm using curly leaf kale, but you could use any seasonal vegetable. It could be green beans, chard, broccoli, courgette, anything that is green and adds texture to the tomato broth. In goes the kale, or your seasonal vegetable, whatever you want. And now I will make the gremolata. This is exciting. Come. The leaves of the celery, the leaves of the parsley, the stalks of the celery for the crunch, garlic for the spice, and now lemon zest for the zing. Le voilà. Healthy, cheap to make, quick to make, delicious.